Hello there, this is a weather update. There is still a weather warning for tonight's strong winds, but they are not as bad as we previously expected them to be. Look here for more. As you can see, the strongest of the winds are expected to affect northern France, and southern England is only expected winds of around 55 miles per hour along the south coast. There is expected to be no serious disruption by this storm now. We was thinking at first, but now the Met Office is almost certain that the winds will only be 50 to 55 miles per hour, which is still enough just to take some twigs off the leaves, perhaps the odd branch, but I don't even think that. So this storm has been downgraded in the last 24 hours and is now only expected to give winds of around 55 miles per hour along the south coast, especially the coast of Kent, East Sussex and West Sussex. These are the only counties where any disruption is really expected. But we have got an added problem of snow expected Thursday night and especially Friday morning on the high ground. Especially the Chilterns could have some lying snow, especially before noon, before it melts. Perhaps say 10 centimetres could fall on the Chilterns and the Brecon Beacons in Wales, and perhaps the high ground of Cornwall and Devon, you know, Dartmoor, Bodmin, for a few hours, but that's likely to turn back to rain quite early on Friday morning. But the main risk is for the Chilterns, the high ground, you know, the Chilterns, where it could have up to 10 centimetres and certainly some disruption on the roads. Like I say, the winds we're not really concerned about now, the Met Office isn't. Just around 55 miles per hour gusts along the south coast, like I say, especially Kent and East and West Sussex. The strongest of the winds are going to be reserved for northern France, but even here they're not as bad as we previously thought. So you can always keep up to date with the weather on bbc.co.uk/weather or metoffice.gov.uk. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.